Okay, so what we got here is a Mercedes GTS now installed with the Ghost 2 immobiliser system. So if a thief gets in the vehicle and manages to copy or clone your key, they try and start it, the vehicle will not start. So what you got to do when you get in the vehicle, put the ignition on, enter your code 1 2 3 4. You get 2 flashes from the parking brake that lets you know the code is correct. Then you can turn it on. So if you got a Mercedes GTS and you want to protect it with the Ghost to stop it from being stolen, give us a shout. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.